Chatfuel Chatbot Review Usage Experience. Welcome to my review of Chatfuel Chatbot. In today's video, I'll be sharing my experience with this highly popular chatbot platform. If you're interested in trying it out yourself, I've included the link to the product in the description below. Chatfuel is a chatbot platform primarily designed for automating conversations on Facebook Messenger. It's especially popular among businesses looking to engage with customers, generate leads, and provide customer support through messaging. One of the key highlights of Chatfuel is its user-friendly interface, which allows anyone, even those with no coding experience, to build and manage chatbots easily. One of the standout features of Chatfuel is its no-code visual builder. It uses a simple drag-and-drop interface that allows you to create automated chat flows, set up message sequences, and define user interactions. This makes it an ideal platform for businesses that don't have developers on hand, but still want to leverage AI-driven automation to improve their customer service and engagement. Chatfuel is primarily focused on Facebook Messenger, but it also integrates with other platforms like Instagram Direct. And you can extend it to SMS and even web chat, making it a versatile tool for multi-channel engagement. This ensures that businesses can reach customers wherever they are, providing a seamless experience across multiple communication channels. Automation is another key strength of Chatfuel. It allows you to set up powerful, customized automation sequences for nurturing leads, delivering personalized messages, and even conducting simple transactions. Chatfuel's AI can handle frequently asked questions, qualify leads, and offer tailored recommendations based on user preferences and behavior. Moreover, Chatfuel offers rich analytics and insights to track chatbot performance. You can monitor key metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, and user engagement, which help you optimize and improve your chatbot interactions over time. Although Chatfuel offers a free plan, the Pro version unlocks advanced features, like the ability to handle multiple chatbots, integrate with external APIs, and access premium support. Its pricing is competitive, and for businesses that rely heavily on Messenger as a communication channel, it offers significant value. In conclusion, Chatfuel is a powerful and easy-to-use chatbot platform that can help businesses enhance their customer engagement, automate repetitive tasks, and boost conversions. Whether you're looking to improve customer support or generate more leads, Chatfuel is a great choice. Check out the link in the description to explore it further and start transforming your communication today.